That's it, right there. Oh, and then I work that. Hey, this is Dr. Perry from Stop Chasing Pain, and now we're going to show you the self-care technique to work your lateral pterygoid muscle inside of your jaw on both sides. Okay, you want to make sure you always do both sides. Why do we want to work this muscle? It gets tense, it gets tight, and it can cause a lot of misery in your life. Headaches, ringing in the ears, lots of jaw pain. It can interfere with blood flow to and from the head. It can cause neck pain. I mean, you name it. If you're a grinder or you've actually had some teeth work, stuff like that, you're probably going to need this. I will tell you now, when you find the spot on this muscle, if it's tight and tense, it is going to hurt like a super duper uber lot. And that's okay. That just means that you really need to be working this, all right? I'm gonna show you how to work both sides. You're gonna use your own pinky when you do it on a technique that I call the Dr. Evil. You remember Austin Powers' Dr. Evil, and it goes like this? Okay? That's actually what you're gonna be doing when you put your pinky up inside of the jaw to hit that sweet spot for the lateral pterygoid. And it's also fitting for Dr. Evil because it's gonna feel evil when you hit these. But trust me, if you stay with it, it can help you a lot. Try to do it about 30 seconds to a minute on both sides, 3 to 4 times a day if you can, over several days, and it likely will help you a lot, okay? So let me show you what it looks like first on a fake plastic skull where you're gonna be putting your pinky. The thing to remember is that you're going to use your right pinky to release the left side pterygoid, and you're going to use your left pinky to release the right side pterygoid. Okay, so you've got the skull here, right? This is not real, it's fake, hence the colors on it. And you've got your jaw here. This is the lower part of the jaw called the mandible. You can see your teeth below and above. You're going to take the pinky, and your fingernail side is going to go against the upper molar teeth like this, and then the other side is going to go against the cheek, right? So what you're going to do is you have to open your mouth a little bit. You don't want to go all the way open, and you don't want it all the way closed. You want it about halfway. You'll be able to play with that and find that sweet spot on your own the more you do it. So this is the right side. So I'm gonna take my pinky and I would run along the molars here, and I'm gonna go straight back up and in towards the cheekbone, and you'll find a space. It's almost made for your pinky. When you find it, you'll know it, you can't miss it. You're gonna press your pinky in there and move it back and forth and hold pressure on the spot that hurts the most. Do not stop breathing when you do this. And then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side, all right? It's gonna take practice. It's gonna be a little frustrating when you first start, but stay with it. I guarantee you'll know it when you find it. It's a life changer spot. So let's go through it together. If I'm gonna do the left side pterygoid, I'm gonna take my right pinky. I'm gonna put the fingernail side against the teeth. Now I'm gonna slide it backwards, and I'm gonna aim up like this towards this cheekbone and kind of play with the angle until I find it. Then I'm gonna press up and move it side to side. So it looks like this. Here, I'm gonna go back. Watch the jaw, not open, not closed, but about halfway is the spot. That's it, right there. Oh, and then I work that. Don't stop breathing. I pull it out. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Fingernail side against the upper molars. Slide it back. Watch the jaw. Right there. Okay. That side's not as bad. I can tolerate that one. And I still want you to work it though. Balance out both sides. You can spend a little bit longer on the side that hurts the most. Then after you take them out, and you just move your jaw around in different directions, and then see how it goes, all right? You can comment below. if you have any questions or comments or update us on how it went. Thanks for tuning in.